countless office buildings on all continents, and important state-of-the-art data centers, the world's largest airports, and the most prestigious sports stadiums and event arenas rely on cabling systems made by Datwyler. In most cases, our powerful and integrated solutions are hardly visible, yet they make an important contribution to communication quality and safety standards in all types of public and commercial buildings. Datwyler Cabling Solutions. We are a leading international solution provider with Swiss roots, with around 1,000 employees, with 100 years of experience in cable production, and with over 20 years of experience in the engineering and development of integrated cabling solutions. A consulting and implementation partner with extensive expertise, with its own cable factories in Switzerland, the Czech Republic and China, where we manufacture high-quality cables using state-of-the-art machinery and with typical Swiss precision. A leading manufacturer of high-quality data cables with optical fiber cores or copper conductors, fire safety cables with system circuit integrity, and elevator flat traveling cables. A specialist in electrical and ICT infrastructures for public and commercial buildings and data processing centers, as well as fiber to the home networks. But where does this strength come from? What is it that connects us all? The search for our shared roots takes us to the center of the Swiss Alps, to Altdorf in the canton of Uri. This is where the history of Datwyler began in 1915. The young Adolf Datwyler takes up his post as managing director of the Swiss Wire and Rubber Works, which is on the verge of bankruptcy. He reorganizes the company from top to bottom. 2 years later, he purchases the business, taking the step from talented manager to brave entrepreneur. Electrification and the triumph of telephone, radio and television increased the demand for cables. Adolf Datwyler identifies the requirements of his era and begins manufacturing telephone cables in 1926. These are followed by high-voltage cables, television cables and flame-resistant cables. No matter what the circumstances, he always manages to bring value to his customers. And he's a quick learner. He recognizes that long-term success can only be achieved with the best products. Right from the outset, he hires scientifically trained employees and invests in research and development. In 1945, Datwyler introduces the world's first high-voltage cable with polyethylene insulation and regularly contributes outstanding new achievements. But he never loses sight of people and their needs. He founds a workers' health insurance scheme, erects employee accommodation, and builds a factory canteen. More than 30 years before it becomes mandatory, he founds a company pension scheme for his employees. Throughout his life, Adolf Datwyler has respect for others. The values of our founder have made us what we are today. We are entrepreneurs, we are leaders, not managers. We are competitive and we love to win. Every one of us contributes to the success of the company. We've proved this with our early entry into the Chinese market, for example. Since 1998, our entrepreneurial employees have successfully built up and expanded our position in the Chinese market. Our new factory in Taichung represents the groundwork for further sustainable success. We bring value to our customers. Customers always come first. Our customers need to drive our innovations, and we want to exceed their expectations. As a full-service turnkey provider for fiber to the home networks, we offer our customers all services from a single source. This allows us to reduce complexity and to add value for our customers with the help of our high-quality system solutions and services. We excel in what we do. We are continuously improving our processes, products and services. We live up to our promises. We use natural resources sustainably and responsibly. We offer state-of-the-art pre-terminated high-speed and high-density systems for data centers, and we align them to our customers' specific needs. This enables us to exceed the highest quality standards and ensure ultra-fast data transfer. We have respect for others. We have high integrity. We want to attract the best talent and help our employees to develop. We want to improve ourselves and are open to constructive criticism. This respect we show one another is reflected not only in our corporate culture. Datwyler maintains a code of conduct and is also a member of UN Global Compact. We have thereby taken on a voluntary obligation to stand up for human rights and environmental protection and to combat corruption. These values have accompanied us and made us stronger throughout our 100-year history. We want to use them to continue to grow, because growth requires strong roots. They allow us to be an innovative and reliable partner to our customers around the world, now and in future. Datwyler.